Let me show you how to grow your own blueberry plant from store-bought fruits. The first step is to get the seeds out of the berries. You can either cut some and grab some seeds, or the much easier way is the following. You crush a few berries in a very fine sieve. Now wash the pulp off with running water and take out the skin of the fruit. A lot of seeds should remain. For the germination process, I like to put my seeds in bare tap water. I filmed everything in time-lapse to show the germination. After about 2 weeks, the first seeds start to germinate. Blueberries prefer acidic soils. A fail-safe way to grow blueberries in almost any soil is to incorporate peat moss into the planting medium. Make sure to cover the seedlings with a thin layer of soil. Let's now see how the growth of the plants continues in time-lapse. When the plants are about 10 centimeters in size, you can either transplant them to another bigger pot or directly plant them outdoors. Again, make sure to get a good, slightly acid soil. After about 2 to 3 years, the plant reach a mature state and start to get flowers and fruits. From this time, you'll never run out of berries again. Sometimes, it's a good idea to prune the bushes every year depending on the growth. Thanks for watching my tutorial and see you in the next video.